What if every moment on the road was fully protected, front, rear, and even inside your car? The Vantrue N4 Pro N4 brings powerful triple camera recording, sharp video quality, and advanced safety features into one smart dashcam system. It's designed for drivers who want complete peace of mind, day or night. Number 5. Vantrue N4 Pro N4S. The Vantrue N4 Pro Dashcam Vantrue N4 Dashcam are among the most powerful and reliable 3-channel dashcams available in 2026, designed to provide complete protection for drivers, passengers, and vehicles. These models are especially popular among rideshare drivers, long-distance travelers, and anyone who wants full 360-degree monitoring on the road. At the core of the N4 Pro is its triple camera system, which records simultaneously from the front, interior, cabin, and rear. The front camera captures stunning 4K Ultra HD video, while the interior and rear cameras record in Full HD. This setup ensures that every angle of your vehicle is covered, making it extremely useful for accident evidence, insurance claims, or security monitoring. The wide-angle lenses of approximately 155 degrees front, 165 degrees cabin, and 160 degrees rear help eliminate blind spots and capture more detail around the vehicle. One of the biggest upgrades in the N4 Pro is the use of the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which dramatically improves night vision performance. Combined with HDR, high dynamic range, the camera balances bright and dark areas in real time, allowing it to capture clear footage even in low-light conditions or during nighttime driving. This makes it easier to read license plates and road signs, which is critical in emergency situations. The interior camera is equipped with infrared IR LEDs, allowing it to record clear black and white footage inside the car at night without distracting the driver. This is particularly beneficial for Uber, Careem, or taxi drivers who need to monitor passenger activity in low-light environments. Another standout feature is the 24/7 parking mode, which keeps your car protected even when it's parked. The system includes motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse recording. When movement or impact is detected, the camera automatically records and saves footage, ensuring that any incidents are documented. Buffered recording even captures moments before the event occurs, providing complete context. The N4 Pro also includes built-in GPS and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to track driving routes, speed, and location directly through the mobile app. You can easily transfer, view, and share videos on your smartphone without removing the memory card. Voice control adds another layer of convenience, enabling hands-free operation for tasks like locking videos or taking snapshots. In terms of durability, the Dashcam uses a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery, which provides better resistance to extreme heat and cold, an important factor for countries with harsh climates. It also supports large storage capacity, up to 512 GB, ensuring long recording times without frequent file deletion. The Vantrue N4S, on the other hand, is a slightly more affordable alternative with upgraded sensors and strong HDR performance. While it may not offer full 4K triple-channel recording like the Pro version, it still delivers excellent video quality and reliability for everyday users. Overall, the Vantrue N4 Pro N4S stands out as a premium, feature-packed dashcam system that delivers exceptional video quality, complete vehicle coverage, and advanced safety features, making it one of the best choices for drivers in 2026.